What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how I designed this stylish turban head wrap. You see how it looks like, so beautiful. So in today's video I'm gonna show you from the scratch up until I'm done with it how you can design it yourself. So if this is something you're really interested on, definitely be sure to hit the little subscription button down this video. So guys, for this tutorial I'm going to use the tape measure, the scissor, the chalk, as well as my fabric. So I will start with taking measurement and cutting off my fabric. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still. After that guys, I'm going to measure 22 plus 1 sewing allowance for my head circumference. I'm going to cut 2 pieces for this one here, and the other one will be 24 because they don't have to be equal. Okay, so I will show you how I cut the single one here so that I can go ahead and start with the stitching. Intentional God. Now guys, I indicated that I'm going to cut 2 pieces here. The first one is 23, the other one is 24 inch. So I'm going ahead and start cutting off my fabric like this. Everything is working out for my good because you are good. You are good. Now guys, I did cut the other piece of camera, so I was taking the video and I realized that my camera was not capturing. I'm really sorry for that guys. I'm just going ahead to the next step. The next step, which is sewing. So I'm going to fold both of them into 2 equal half and write sewing right here. Now guys, I'm just going ahead and sew both pieces using my overlocker, just like you see me doing it here. So guys, if you find these videos helpful, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up because it's the other way to support your favorite creator. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still God. Going to the next step, I'm going to flip them inside out just like this and determine which is the bigger than the other one, so that the bigger must be on the top and the smaller must be intentional God. So this one here is 24. Is it bigger than this one because this one is 23. Everything is. So guys, I'm going to the next step. I'm going to use my thread to sew the temporary gather stitch right between here. Before sewing the gather stitch, I must determine the middle of these 2 pieces here. I'm going to mark the middle like this using my chalk, and the other one I will mark the middle using my chalk. Working out for my good because you. After that guys, I'm going to take my thread and hand needle and start with the temporary gather stitch, and I will combine the 2 here. You are good. Now that I'm done with the temporary stitch, I'm going ahead and do the twisting. So this part is very important. It needs clear attention. So guys, I'm going to twist them like this and put it under the loop here. So this is how it's looked like so far. So I'm going to twist again for this one here like this. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can just watching what I'm doing. This is how I twist them. So I'm going to repeat the very same process so that you guys can understand. This is how I twisted those 2 pieces. This is how it's looked like so far. So I'm going ahead and pin down so that I can show you guys where we are going to do the stitching. So I'm going to use my pin and fold this fabric right side facing each other and pin down where I'm going to start with the stitching and where I'm going to end my stitch. This is how I'm going to do it, guys. And I'm going to repeat the very same process to other side as well. Pinning where I'm going to start with the stitch and the end of my stitch. Yeah, this is very simple. So if you don't understand, you can watch for several times this video so that you can get the idea as to how I'm achieving this part here. The next step, I'm going to fold this in two equal half, right side facing each other, and pin where I'm going to start the stitching and the end of my stitch. This is very important. You make sure that you don't skip the pinning. So I'm going to sew this side, the side seam and the top seam and the side seam. I will left the one opening for the head circumference. So I'm going to sew all them together. This is where I did the sewing, guys, and I also sew the back side here. So the next step, guys, is to sew the permanent gather stitch at the back of the turban. This is how it looks like, guys. Because I did the temporary stitch, so now it's time to remove it. Jesus, you are good, and you are good, you are good, Jesus, you are good. What I'm going to do next is to sew the permanent gather stitch at the back of this turban head wrap. So I'm going to secure here because I've reused my overlock. I'm going to do the regular stitch right here using my straight line and stitches. So I'm going to start with the permanent stitch until I reach the top of the turban head wrap. And I will make sure that I secure it so that it won't pop out the time I put this turban head wrap on. I will do the back stitch for several times so that it's secured. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still God. Intentional, intentional God. Everything is working out for my good because you are good. You are good, Jesus. You are good, and you are good. You are good, Jesus. You are good. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still God. Intentional, intentional God. Woo. After that, guys, my turban is ready. I'm just flipping it inside out like this. So beautiful, guys. You see, I'm really happy with the outcome. So this is all of the turban with the same design that I've already sewn. So this is a beautiful design that I discovered a few days ago because I was sewing the back, the bulk. So I realized no, this is I did yellow and dusty pink and military green as well as the what is this other color? Yes, with this other color as well. So guys, if this is something you're really interested, definitely be sure to hit the little subscription button down this video so that you can also learn for your personal development, right? So guys, I'm so excited that I get to film this video for you so that you guys can learn. Without wasting anyone's time, I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.